The new car is an entry-level model, compared with the 100 long-range Pro 2 WD, original entry-level version. 13 configurations have been eliminated, and the price is 33,000 cheaper for a limited time. In terms of appearance, since the Xingtu Yaoguang CDM Transcendent Edition is only a new version, the overall appearance continues the design language of the current model. The front face has been replaced by a closed grille design, and the transition-type light strips are connected to the headlights on both sides, making the visual effect more prominent. At the same time, the lower perimeter of the new car has been darkened, and combined with the airflow vents on both sides, creating a good sports atmosphere. On the side of the car's body, the entire car has not changed much. The flowing body line from the front to the rear of the car, combined with the design of the large-sized wheels, makes the overall feeling full of sportiness. At the same time, the side skirts, wheel eyebrows, etc. of the new car have been darkened. In terms of size, the new car is positioned as a midsize SUV with a length, width and height of 4781/1920/1671 mm and a wheelbase of 2,815 mm respectively. The tail also retains the design of the taillights with an internal dot matrix light strip pattern. It is expected that the visual recognition after lighting will be more obvious. At the same time, the rear of the car retains a small spoiler design, and the darkened rear frame at the bottom also creates a good visual effect. In terms of interior, the new car also retains the design of the current model. The center console consists of a 12.3-inch LCD display plus 12.3-inch central control screen, and is matched with a double-spoke flat-bottom steering wheel. The overall feel is full of technology. At the same time, the new car has a series of physical buttons under the central control screen, which will be easier for consumers to use. In terms of configuration, compared with the current model, the new car has cancelled some functional configurations such as steering wheel heating, 50W mobile phone wireless charging, CDC active suspension, and other configurations. In terms of power, the new car will continue to be equipped with a 1.5T hybrid engine, matched with a front motor plus 3-speed super hybrid DHT transmission. The comprehensive power is 280 kilowatts and the comprehensive torque is 610 Nm. In terms of battery life, it is matched with a lithium iron phosphate battery pack with a capacity of 18.67 kWh, and the pure electric battery life is 84 km under WLTC conditions. In terms of price, the new car is priced at 159,900 yuan, and is currently priced at 139,900 yuan for a limited time. It also targets Lynk and Co. 08 EMP as a competitor.